As a B2B business owner, do you have an advanced system to simplify your warehouse processes and make packing to be executed quickly and efficiently? As a part of our ecosystem, EasySales Pick Pack app helps you in facilitating the warehouse operation. It's a complete supervision system to manage warehouse workers effectively. Bid goodbye to traditional paper sales order. Admin can easily input goods data that need to be packed on that day into the system. Packer only needs to scan the barcode and pack the quantity of goods accordingly to the system. To avoid ill-informed errors, photos and the placement of the goods can be found in the system. If an out-of-stock issue occurs, Picker can also click on the No Stock button to notify business owner through the system so that the company can act immediately. Through the Picker ranking function of the Warehouse Pick Pack app, business owners can recognize the performance of the employees. If an issue arises, business owner can also identify the cause of the error and correct it immediately to avoid greater losses. With EasySales Warehouse Pick Pack app, packing process is simplified for packers and helps in reducing human error.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.